Welcome back to the Wellness from Home channel. Today, we're going to explore one of nature's most powerful and ancient remedies, garlic. Known for its amazing medicinal properties, garlic is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a wellness powerhouse. In this video, we'll discuss the numerous health benefits of garlic and show you some simple, effective garlic remedies you can easily make at home. In this video, you'll learn garlic's incredible health benefits. Garlic is loaded with nutrients like vitamin C and B6, manganese, and selenium, all of which help boost your overall health. It's famous for supporting your immune system, fighting off infections, and even improving cardiovascular health. Garlic is a natural antimicrobial agent, making it an excellent tool in combating colds, flu, and other infections. We'll share how to use garlic to strengthen your body's defense system and stay healthy year-round. Are you struggling with bloating or digestive discomfort? Garlic can help promote healthy digestion by supporting gut health and reducing inflammation in your digestive tract. Not just for internal health, garlic can also be used topically. It's packed with antioxidants that help improve skin health and reduce acne. Plus, its sulfur compounds promote hair growth and help keep your scalp healthy. We'll show you how to make easy garlic-based remedies. So let's get started. Remedy number 1, garlic and honey for colds. A simple, soothing remedy that helps fight off flu symptoms. Mince or crush 2 garlic cloves to release its natural juices. Mix the crushed garlic with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Let it sit for a few minutes to infuse the flavors and medicinal properties. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture up to 3 times a day to help relieve cold symptoms and boost immunity. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, helping to fight off infections. Honey soothes the throat and alleviates coughing. Remedy number 2, garlic oil for skin, an antibacterial remedy for acne and skin irritation. Crush the garlic cloves to release their juice. Mix the crushed garlic with olive or coconut oil. Allow the mixture to infuse for 24 hours in a dark, cool place. Strain out the garlic and store the infused oil in a clean bottle. Apply a few drops of the garlic oil directly to the affected areas, like acne spots or irritated skin, before bedtime. Garlic's antimicrobial properties help reduce acne-causing bacteria. The oil soothes and moisturizes the skin, reducing redness and irritation. Always do a patch test before applying any oil to your face to avoid allergic reactions. Remedy number 3, garlic tea for digestion, a natural way to calm an upset stomach and promote better digestion. Garlic is a natural digestive aid that can help relieve bloating, indigestion, and gas. Drinking garlic tea is a simple way to calm an upset stomach and promote smoother digestion. Crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves to release their beneficial compounds. Boil 1 cup of water and add the crushed garlic to it. Let the garlic steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the garlic bits. Add honey and a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor, if desired. Drink this garlic tea once a day to promote healthy digestion. Garlic stimulates digestion and helps relieve bloating and indigestion. It promotes healthy gut flora and can even reduce the risk of ulcers and stomach infections. If you've never thought of garlic as anything other than a kitchen ingredient, this video will change your perspective. Garlic is truly a versatile remedy for a wide range of health concerns, and how easy it is to incorporate it into your wellness routine at home. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips and remedies. See you in next video.